So in this video, let me show you how you can add a face to the photos on iPhone. So if I open up my gallery, I have a background image and a person image, right? And let's say I want to add the face over this brick wall background. So I'm going to go to that image and hold down on the subject. So on the face or the actual person, which gets highlighted like this. You can see that there's like a highlight around, and we click on create a sticker. It's going to be added to the sticker selection below like this, and it's part of the stickers. So we move back to the background photo. We click on the edit button below, and then click on markup at the top like this. It was a live photo, so we're going to disable it. That's okay. We're going to click on OK to turn it into a regular image. That's completely fine. And then now, in this page, we can use the pencils or whatever. But if we click on the plus, we can add stickers over the existing image. And the point is that we access the sticker panel where we just added the person or the face, right? So you can see we can move it around, resize it, or put it in any orientation we want. So that's very useful. Of course, play around with it as much as you can, but then hit the blue check mark and then click the done button. And essentially you have added one person or photo on the top of another one. So that's how you can do this. You can obviously share the photo or do whatever else you want, but that's it for me. Let me know what you think about that below. Subscribe for more tips and similar videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.